Namaste. Once again, Speak Mickey SVNIT welcomes you all to this orientation session. Speak Mickey, the Society for the Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture amongst youth, is a non-political, non-profit voluntary movement which works to promote our rich Indian heritage. The growth of Speak Mickey is because of its volunteers, people from all walks of life, including students, housewives, professionals, and even retirees, work selflessly to keep the spirit of Speak Mickey alive. We organize various events in schools and colleges to connect to the students and enlighten them about our culture. The core belief of Speak Mickey is Nishkam Seva, that is, giving selflessly without expecting anything in return, which is the true spirit of volunteerism.
The story of Speak Mickey started when a young graduate student pursuing his PhD at Columbia University attended a Drupad concert by two exceptional maestros, Ustad Nazir Aminuddin Dagar and Ustad Zia Fariduddin Dagar at the Brooklyn Academy of Music, New York City. Feeling inspired by the divineness of Indian classical music, he decided to spread the same sense of inspiration amongst the other youngsters. And hence, he came back to India. And while working at IIT Delhi, he initiated a movement in 1977, which we now call as Speak Mickey. This young graduate student is none other than Dr. Kiran Seth, the founder of this movement. In Speak Mickey, we work towards binding together the dying essence of Indian culture as well as other intangible aspects of Indian art forms. As Dr. Seth says, I don't want to take away rock or pop from your music collection. I just want to add classical music to it.
Speak Mickey's mission is to have every child experience the inspiration and mysticism embodied in Indian and world heritage. It strives to enrich the quality of formal education and go beyond the barriers of techniques and methods. It aims at introducing mainly the traditional Indian culture to the youth of our country, and with the hope that the beauty and wisdom embodied in it will become to the integral part of the youth by planting these values to the whole society that eventually grows up into a big tree of heritage, makes us cherish and artistic talents.
The vertical art, the logo of Speak Mickey, represents inner wisdom, perception, and inquiry to look at life with deep elements of truth. Opening of this inner eye embarks an inward journey among ourselves towards perfection. The outward growth of a person is measurable, while the inner growth is endless.
The movement caught the imagination of the young and began to grow geographically and numerically. Today there are over 500 chapters in India and abroad, and we conduct more than 4,000 events yearly. Speak Mickey is nationally supported by the Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Youth Affairs, Sports, and the HRD Ministry. It has active chapters worldwide, including chapters in institutes like IITs and IIMs. Internationally, other chapters have also come up in Europe, the US, Australia, and the Middle East, including famous institutes like the Cornell, Stanford, and many more.
Speak Mickey has various activities and modules to bring the Masters of Art form to the institution, some of which we will be giving you a glimpse of now. Lecture demonstration. Lecture demonstration provide a stage for the interaction between student and artist. In these sessions, the artists demonstrate their art form with the help of explanations and performances, and thereby making their art form easily comprehensive. Yoga. Yoga in Speak Mickey is generally conducted with the authentic yogacharyas with the goal to provide the student with a balanced development of physical, mental, and spiritual being to attain perfect harmony. We include 3 different types of yoga for the body, mind, and the soul.
Virasat, literally meaning heritage in Hindi, is showcase varied mixture of all aspects of Indian culture heritage like folk, classical music and dance. This is generally a week-long event to celebrate our Indian culture. we have successfully organized Virasat in SVNIT also in 2019 and 2020, which was met wide response from students. Next is workshop. SpeakMaker organized various workshops in various schools and colleges that help students to cultivate various skills in classical dance and music by learning from great gurus. Apart from music and dance, we also organize art and craft workshop like Wali painting, Madhubani painting, paper mache, papeteries, and weaving.
Heritage Walk. India is a land of beautiful landscape and rich cultural heritage. Through this module, students get a chance to visit various places of historical significance with an aim to appreciate its past glory. And talking about our next module, Cinema Classic. Cinema is considered an important art form and a powerful medium for educating people. In this module, SpeakMaker introduced young mind to meaningful, well-crafted film which improved their cinematic appreciation. Apart from the described format, there are many more activities conducted by SpeakMaker, like Convention, Yamini, which is an overnight concert, and Rural School Intensive.
In SVNIT, we work all year round to plan activities for the college students, which include cinema classic sessions, Virasat, concerts, etc. Apart from learning how to manage events, the most cherishable part of volunteering is to get the opportunity to come closer to our rich culture and also get to interact with great maestros while hosting them. We have organized many successful events in the past, and here are some glimpses of the same. The pictures of our previous events will be followed by the volunteering experiences. And lastly, you can have a glance at the after movie of Virasat 2020, A Journey Towards Our Roots.
In the year 2019, we organized a 5-day-long Virasat in our college, comprising of concerts of Carnatic violin, sitar, gurbani, Hindustani vocal and santoor. This event was widely attended by our college students, some of which even heard classical music for the first time and had an unforgettable experience. In the new academic session, we organized Swaranjali, which was a Shehnai concert and a movie screening of The Great Dictator. After receiving a very good response in Virasat 2019, we decided to organize Virasat 2020, A Journey Towards Our Roots, on an even bigger scale with 7 concerts in 5 days. Artists from all over India who were recipients of prestigious awards including the Grammy, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri came to perform for this event and mesmerized the audience of SVNIT. Virasat 2020 was truly a celebration of Indian culture and had different performances of art forms like classical music, dance, folk and theatre. It was a very good learning experience for our volunteers as we managed everything, right from infrastructure, hospitality, publicity to finance. The best part was to get to interact closely with the artists, and our team will always treasure this experience. In the process of organizing Virasat, we closely understood the beauty of our Indian roots. We hope to organize more such events in the future and bring our invaluable culture to SVNIT.
इस पिकनिक द्वारा मुझे भारतीय संस्कृति और भारतीय शास्त्रीय संगीत के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ जानने को मिला, काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला, किंतु मेरा मानना है कि सबसे बड़ा योगदान स्पिकमेके का मेरे जीवन में ये रहा है कि स्पिकमेके ने मुझे मेरा वर्तमान दिया. आई गॉट माई प्रेजेंट टाइम फ्रॉम स्पिकमेके और स्पिकमेके अब मेरे जीवन का एक अभिन्न अंग हो गया है. A part wherein I only keep investing my time and efforts without expecting anything in return, without expecting anything.
Hey everyone, my name is Mosum and I graduated this year. I joined SpeakMaker when I was in first year. I joined because I wanted to get a hold of it, like I wanted to know what event management was. And SpeakMaker taught me so nicely what it was, and now I can proudly say that because of this club, I know how to interact, I know how to document well. And yeah, thank you, SpecMK, for making me part of your journey.
आई एम विधि फ्रॉम MSc फिजिक्स 4th ईयर। मैं SpecMK से 2nd ईयर से जुड़ी हुई हूँ एंड इन 2 सालों में मैंने काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है। अभी तक आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा कि SpecMK क्या है एंड व्हाट वी डू और क्या क्या कैसे काम करता है। तो SpecMK ज्वाइन करने का बेसिक एम ये था कि SpecMK जिस मोटो से काम करता है वो मुझे काफ़ी इंस्पायर करता है काम करने के लिए। एंड इन 2 सालों में पर्सनल लेवल पे भी मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है एक्सेप्ट द मैनेजमेंट। एंड उसके अलावा सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ होती है आर्टिस्ट के साथ इंटरेक्शन। आर्टिस्ट को हम कांटेक्ट करते हैं जब हम उनको इनवाइट करते हैं इवेंट के लिए, और जब तक वो घर पहुंच जाते हैं तब तक उनके साथ इंटरेक्शन रहता है। वो इंटरेक्शन बहुत ही अच्छा रहता है। उनके साथ जो एटमॉस्फेयर रहता है वो काफ़ी अलग रहता है। उनसे भी आपको बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें सीखने मिलती है एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें जानने मिलती है जो आपको नहीं पता होती, रेदर इट बी आर्ट फॉर्म और एनीथिंग। तो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग। एंड उसके अलावा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा है मेरा कि 2 साल में जितना प्रोग्रेस मैंने पर्सनली किया है, इट्स ऑल ड्यू टू SpecMK एंड इट हैज़ गिवन मी अ लॉट। एंड आई would like you guys to see that, and if you are interested then you can join us at any time you want. So thank you.
We wholeheartedly thank you for viewing this orientation with so much zeal and eagerness. We wish that you like it. Please follow us on social media handles to get more insight about